your stomach, start to smack now. I'ma reach your climax. Your phone ring and never mind. That's my.
Welcome back, you guys. Today we are here with some more Kalyss drip, honey. Yes, I can't wait to open this up. All right, so we got some goodies in the bag. We got some stuff to put on your wig, some little jewels. We got some lashes, y'all. We also got a wig cap. Always nice to get some goodies. Woo, let's open her up. Come on through now. Do you see that curl pattern? Yes. This is the back. Very pretty. The parting space is excellent. So this is the front. Very good. The lace is good. The lace blends with my skin. So we got 2 combs up front. We also have 2 combs in the back. And there is also some adjustable straps kind of hidden up under there, but we have them. So we also have some lace in the back if you want to wear her up. Yes, honey. Look at that cap construction. The baby hairs are absolutely beautiful. They're so pretty. I don't know if I even want to cut those off. This is beautiful, you guys. Look at the hair. That curly pattern right there. Yes. All right, so now that we done popped her on, this is her before I cut the lace off. See how that lace blends into my skin? Yes, that's what I'm talking about now. Yes, honey, it blends in very, very well. OMG. So that lace is really good. I really like the way that they did the ear tabs. It's beautiful. It lays beautiful on my ears. Yes, I am in love. There's not a lot of lace to cut around there. They tapered it around the ears very good. This is a beautiful unit, you guys. I am feeling her already, and I ain't even styled her yet. Yes, honey. Look at that. Yes. All right, let's turn around. So here is the back. Yes. Do you see how pretty that is? I haven't even put any powder in there. Do you see that? Do you see the way the braids are? Yes. This is gorgeous. The back is pretty. You can see that you can wear her up. Yes. You can see she comes down to my tush tush. She's 28 inches long. Very pretty. All right, let's get into this video and see what we working with, y'all. Hi, my sweets. Welcome back to my channel today. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Blessings. Shout out to my beautiful people that's been rocking with me from the beginning. I appreciate you all. Shout out to the people that clicked on this thumbnail. I hope you think about subscribing. We are here for some more Kalyss drip, honey. Yes. Do you see this beautiful unit that I got on my head? And today's review is brought to you by Kalyss. Kalyss, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. All right, let's hop right in. All right, you guys, so we are here for some more Kalyss drip, honey. Yes, this unit is so pretty. And you guys know I tell you when I'm in love with a unit, okay? Yes, this beautiful little wig here, y'all. Look at the detail, okay? Look at the scalp action. I'm going to tell you, I put a little bit of powder up here, and that's it. I didn't put no powder nowhere else, okay? Because when I tried it on, I was like, that's blending good with my skin. I don't think I need a lot of powder. Yes. Let's get into these specs. Get into it. So this is the Kalyss 360 hand braided synthetic lace wig with braids and baby hair. Honey, can I tell you that they nailed it? Now, there are a couple of cons that I want to tell you about. But besides that, honey, they nailed this wig. It's so pretty. The texture of this, it is all synthetic, but it's super soft. This is really, really soft. And this is a good beginner-friendly wig. You don't have to do nothing to it, but cut off that lace up here, cut off that lace in the back, and that's it. And like I said, I didn't put a lot of powder on there. I put some powder kind of around my edges, but that's pretty much it. Yeah, I didn't put powder all in between the braids because I didn't feel that it needed. It blends in with my skin perfectly. It is a natural black color, and the length is 28 inches. Now, I'm 5'4". Like I said, y'all know I call myself 5'6", so you will see over here on the scroll when I stand up how far it goes down my back. Now it does say that it is heat resistant up to 150 degrees. I don't know if you would need to put heat on her. I mean, I don't know. Everybody has their preference, but I mean, it's all good. And this is, I would say that it's kind of daily wear if you wanted to kind of wear it to work. This would be for me like a cute little weekend wig, okay? I'm feeling like Queen Latifah and set it off, okay? But that's sexy, set it off. And like I said, there's a couple of cons. So one of the cons for me is that right here, it doesn't all match. It's not the same length. I wish it would have been all the same length. I think that would have been better. It looks like I kind of cut this part off and I didn't. So I wish all of that would have been the same length. And then on the hairline, I wish it was like a designated hairline for the baby hairs, if that makes sense. It was hard to lay the baby hairs down and kind of like, I wanted to swoop them up like that, but the hairline wasn't allowing me to do that. Besides that, y'all, I mean, that's it. That's the only thing that I had some issues with. The wig is fire, okay? If you've been thinking about getting this wig, I know I have been thinking about getting this wig, so I was so happy when they contacted me. I was like, oh, yes. I was like, oh, yes. I was like, I would love to do a review. And they sent me this gorgeous wig. I mean, what else y'all want me to say, honey? The wig is fire. Yes, honey. The other thing is the baby hairs were extremely long. And in some cases, I like it when the baby hairs are long, but it didn't look right for me up front. For somebody else, it may look right for you to have all the pretty curly curls, and they were super pretty too. I did keep the ones in the back. I did not cut those down because they did have a lace back there, so you could probably wear her up. Maybe. Let's see what that back is looking like. That's a look too. Let's turn around and see what this back is looking like. So this is the back. All I did was cut that lace off. So I'll have to look at the video footage to see what the back is looking like, because that may be a look, honey. Ooh. Yes, I might have to put that up and see how that's looking, cause what y'all think? Yes. That's super cute. Yes, honey. Some versatility up in this wig. Baby. What? Yes, honey. Oh, this is cute. Y'all, come on now. Come through, Kalyss. Yes. Do y'all see this? I feel like a little sexy peanut doll. Yes. Okay, y'all got to go get this wig. Okay, y'all. I mean, $89. Trust me, I'm going to leave all the links down below, honey, so that you can go pick her up. Yes. Ain't she pretty? Come on, y'all. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you like. Do you like the updo? Do you like it down? I mean, let me know what y'all would do and how y'all would style her, honey. Okay? She is cute. This is a whole look, okay? Yes, honey. This a whole look. I ain't going no damn well, but I bet you I'm going to be cute up in this house today. Ew. All right, my sweets, so that's it today. Again, thank you, Kalyss, for sponsoring this video. So you guys leave me some comments below. Let me know how you like this little drip. Okay, yes, how you will style her if you want to go pick her up. Yes, hit me on my handle on the gram. Send me some pics, tag me in some photos. Yes, honey, I would love to see. And until next time, my sweets, again, thank you so much for rocking with me, and I'll be back with another video. See ya. Bye.